back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with not one, but 5 data entry non-phone work from home job leads. I tried to share a little bit of something for everyone, but I know a big portion of my viewers and subscribers don't want customer service on the phone. So that is what I have for you today. One of these even has flexible schedule. But real quickly, before we dive into all of them, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you and share them on a daily basis. The links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that and have your notifications turned on if you never want to miss out on another upload from me. Some jobs go very quickly, so you want to make sure you get notified when I do post them. But with that being said, the first job is from Luzon Technologies. They are hiring a data entry clerk. Now, this is part-time. All of these are in the United States only. They are looking for someone to do basic data entry. So they are looking for someone who has proven experience as a data entry clerk, knowledge in word processing tools and spreadsheets such as Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, or maybe Google Sheets and Docs. Working knowledge of office equipment, computer hardware. You have to know your way around a computer. Someone who has good English skills, great attention to detail, and while they don't require a college degree, they do want someone who has a high school diploma or GED. Next up, Elevance Health is hiring a data entry operator. Now, this is on a contract temporary basis. But they are looking for contract workers who are passionate about making an impact on the members and communities that they serve. Being part of the data entry team, you will perform daily reconciliation of customer claims. You'll request account adjustments. You'll provide quality outcomes and take ownerships of the claims to ensure resolution follow-up. You'll process a minimum of 250 to 300 claims per day. The role will focus on data entry and validation within a database for Medicare, so you'll specifically be working for Medicare claims. Now, this does require a high school diploma or a GED, although it does not require a college degree. Again, they want you to know good computer software such as word processing and spreadsheets, again, Microsoft Office, good typing skills, good written communication skills, data entry experience. It does say you can work anywhere remote within the U.S., and they are looking for someone to work 8 to 5. Next up, we have another healthcare company, Solo Health. They are hiring a temporary data entry clerk. Now, they are looking for a data entry clerk to work per diem in the healthcare field. That means as needed. This is remote within the United States. They specifically want someone who can work Eastern Standard Time from the hours of 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. So this is a little bit of an off shift. But if you can work that, they are looking for someone to data entry provided by customers of electronic medical record system. You'll retrieve data from the databases or electronic files as requested. You'll provide general clerical assistance. You'll ensure timely acceptance of patient records, and you'll update any existing data as needed. They do require a high school diploma, but no college degree. They want someone who has experience working in some kind of past physician or dental office, who has experience with knowledge of ICD-10 coding, CPT codes, who can type at least 45 to 60 words per minute, who has great attention to detail and great time management skills. One thing I did want to note, pay is always dependent on location and experience. These job descriptions do not list a pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but Solo Health does have a 4-star rating on Indeed. Last one in the medical field, Guidit is hiring a medical records abstractor. Now, Guidit is a technology services company, and they are hiring a medical records abstractor to perform timely and efficient abstraction of medical record charts and verifying the data to ensure the accuracy and completeness of the record information. So you'll accurately review electronic provider patient schedules. You'll cross-check the patient demographics for accurate patient identification. You'll search the computerized medical records for patient histories. You'll correct any data of patient data that does not match. You'll accurately track the chart into completion and any other duties as assigned. Now, again, they do not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 year experience in clinical data abstraction, knowledge of medical terminology, someone who can again be proficient in Microsoft Excel, Office, and Outlook, someone who is detail oriented, dependable, and has the ability to multitask. And last but not least, I had to throw Gaggle in there. Gaggle is always hiring, and they are again recruiting for people to do content review. I have mentioned Gaggle on several of my videos before. For Gaggle, it is basically something that you can do part-time, and this has a flexible schedule. You can log in when you have time to do it. They look for people to review different items that are submitted across school systems through student email accounts and different things like that, maybe their Gmail accounts, and they look to make sure that they are not submitting anything that should not be. So you make sure it's free of profanity, free of any drugs or anything like that, free of violence, no kids going after each other. They do only pay $10 an hour, but it is a log on and work when you can, a part-time side gig, side hustle type of thing. I have personally gone through the application process just to see what it's like, and it is very easy. You submit your information and your resume. They give you a document with their guidelines of how you would grade different things submitted by students to say, yes, this passed the test, it is safe, or no, this is not safe because it has violent something in it or whatever. And you read those documents, and then they give you basically a quiz. And if you pass the quiz, then you go into a waiting queue where you wait to hear back with further instructions. All right, if any of these job leads was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comment section anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. Even if I'm not always responding, I am reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.